Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect PayPal with InviteMember. Connecting PayPal to InviteMember allows you to accept subscription payments from members around the world. Before you begin, make sure you have a PayPal business account and an InviteMember account ready. Now let's get started. First, from the PayPal website, now create a PayPal business account if you don't already have one. Then complete your business profile and verify your account. Next, open the PayPal developer dashboard and sign in with your PayPal business account. Now go to My Apps and Credentials, then scroll down to the Rest of PI Apps section. Here, click Create App. Now enter a name for your InviteMember project. Then click Create App again. After that, your new app will be created. Now locate your API credentials. Here, you'll see two sets of credentials, Sandbox and Live. Use the Sandbox Client ID and Sandbox Secret if you're testing payments. When you're ready to accept real payments, use the Live Client ID and Leave Secret. Next, open your InviteMember dashboard. Now go to the Payment Settings or Payment Provider section, then select PayPal as your payment provider. After that, paste your client ID and secret into the required fields. Now, save your changes, then enable PayPal as an active payment method. After that, perform a test payment if you're using Sandbox mode to make sure everything is working correctly. Once you've confirmed that the integration works, switch to your live PayPal credentials to start accepting real member payments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.